Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lowe's HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in corporate.lowes.com/my-hr and then press enter. You will now be taken into the Lowe's official website. Now from the home page, click on Current Associate and you will be taken into the login page for employees. Within the sales number, type in your user ID or your account number that you have been given while creating your account, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Lowe's HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your login details, you can contact the support team for Lowe's, and from there you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Lowe's HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.